We don't get part 6 of this super killer TV series. I'll be waiting and won't even call am. Because as the matter be, e don turn to series, e don turn to film. Because Aunty Chindinma don't come outside again talk say no be she kill Mr. Ataga. Say in fact she no know anything about this man death. Say she go outside as two of them don high finish. Highness come finish, food finish. Na there she come say make she go outside go buy food wey dem go use take eat and make she order for some things sef. Before she go come back, say in fact the door dey open, they don stab this man, they don kill this man. Hey! Now what for this kind story wey we dey, this thing don turn to super story. Every day new story, tomorrow another story. Make e no be like say I dey over exaggerate about wetin this girl dey talk. Make una use una ear for una sef.
He has issue with his wife, so but his children is what is targeted as family man. He wasn't into happy married life or something. It was just more of catering for his kids. Before I was leaving, he stood up to lock the door. But when I got in, I was knocking. As there was no answer, I opened the door, was already open, like it wasn't locked. And the duvet was on the floor, plus pillows. The bed, the couch was facing the door, and the bed was stained with blood already, and the floor where he was blood, and then music was on, the TV was on. The room was already disarranged, like someone broke in. Then I saw him on the floor. I didn't know what to do. I took my things with his thing and left. I just did it. It's not like I had something to do with his death. I never had anything to do with his death.
I don't know whether na TV series I just watch finish, I mean na crack news. Just how we said that they ask her question, she even get time. Change clothes, style her hair, go one side. She dey even glow self pass person wey no even dey inside prison. See person wey dey prison, she fine. Person wey dey herself dey hustle, you no even reach this stage. Oh, na sure say this girl never turn celebrity murderer. Because this one now, we no even come dey understand it. Person wey suppose dey prison, from prison now, she don dey inside studio. Dey grant interview. They go ask questions, she go sit down, smile, answer them. Oh, na sure say this case no dey change for another thing. Oh, na sure say no be person don dey write this script. Because now she don dey confirm as say she only gree say na she kill Mr. Ataga because of say wetin. Say her actions show say yes, so she fit kill the man, but no be she kill am. See as she enter the place, the man don already die. She see blood everywhere. Now there she can't rush, go carry her bag, carry her things, and as the cloth blood stain her body, now there she goes make she self change her cloth to run. Make they no come arrest her because she feel say if she call police, they go arrest she self join. Now I make her come decide say make she go house go rest. Una dey hear story, super story wey we dey hear every day. Today na persist, tomorrow I sure say another news go come outside. Say in fact even now she still call the housekeeper. That is the apartment. Say make they go check on Mr. Ataga before they come say Mr. Ataga don't die. Nothing with this girl. In fact, this girl na good super story. She sabi write story. I don't know who they help and write this thing. Because this story now, it don't dey turn to another thing. Person don't even know who person won't believe again. Now only God now I know this new story. But as it be, I wish say this man, this Mr. Ataga wife, go come outside say, come talk something about this whole matter. But the reason say the woman they shame, she go the reason and say, husband wey don disgrace me, why me if I come publicly go disgrace myself? She go the reason all this kind of thing. As him decides, now woman small girl, I want make it kill her. She go the reason say, okay, now make she self dey alone. But I beg, what dey happen? It be like say this thing where this girl dey talk, somebody do help and write the script. First, now you talk say you tie in hand, put in hand for this place, put her here, carry knife magically enter your hand, you stab the man. Now you don't talk say no be you again. Say at the time when you go withdraw the money, you need money because the man promised you. But say the whole killing, you no even dey part of it. I beg, we dey won't get solution to this matter because I sure say now they suppose they add juju on top. Make we just finalize and the matter don't be too long. Person now no fit catch the real person or person who kill your husband. Now we just dey hear story from here to here. Now what? But waiting, I know they even too complain because this man are waiting fine, I need. As you dey find wife, you go carry knife. So now what you expect, now you get. As you talk, your wife, you know reach you, na sugar baby, I mean na sugar waiting and we call her. Now you want, make she dey massage you. Now when she kill you, I mean she claims say now she no kill you. Now you and your God now go settle up because as you enter heaven, I never know you won't go tell about God. But this girl matter, e be like somebody suppose sit her. I no bear na her lawyer because she dey talk say nobody dey follow and talk this, nobody even help her. Her family self, nobody dey. So abeg, where you dey create all this your story? E be like say you know dey sit down. Listen to wetin you dey talk before you dey come outside come talk another one. I no go surprise say soon you go still hear another one. But my people, I hear this one about Chindinma. I come make I bring am again. Make una sef use na ear hear wetin she dey talk again. Anything wey una feel, make una no forget to write am inside the comment section. Make una no also forget to like and share this video. I go see you for our next video. One woman just bath her husband with hot water. This one, the water don't boil well, and the woman prepare her. Say because this man, they always beat her. The man, no, they even take care of the children in the first place. Say in fact, since when they don't marry, now this man don't change. Say as they born first pikin, now there this man start to dey drink, start to dey misbehave. And say they don't marry for 21 years, auntie. 21 years, you dey receive panel beating and you no move. You sit down there, say wait till you dey enjoy this kind thing. Say even sometimes she as a woman, she go work. This man go still enter house, go thief her money. Abeg, wetin you can achieve inside this your own marriage? Because for you to sit down there 21 years, I no even know wetin, I don't know your aim and achievement, I don't even know your goal. Because this one way they talk am now, people go pity you. But you sef, you can't be like say you mumu. My people make no be like say na me dey overtalk this kind thing. Make na sef use na ear here for na sef.
Tọkọ mi fẹ́ra láti 21 years ago. Ó jẹ́ èèyàn kan tó máa ń mọtí, kò ní tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ. Ó máa owó tó yẹ kó fi sanwó school fees á máa fi mọtí káàkiri. Ó ṣẹlẹ̀ pé ó ti máa ń ṣe bí kó lọ àwọn fóònù tó bá wà lọ kó lọ tà kó fi mọtí. Ní bí 2 weeks ago ó ti wọnú yàrá mi, ó Janet yàrá mi, ó gbabẹ̀ wọlé, ó mú owó ń bẹ̀. Owó tó mú yẹn ó lọ fi mọtí. Mo fi yẹn sílẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n tó wá di on the 2nd last month 2021 ó ṣẹlẹ̀ pé ó ti lọ mọtí ó ń jọ yẹn. Ó wá dé, ó wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń rojọ́ fún àwọn neighbor mi, ó ń sọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn yẹn wá ń sọ fún pé kí ni nǹkan tó ṣe, ló ṣàn oríṣiríṣi ẹjọ́ fún èmi wà nínú ṣọ́ọ̀bù mò ń sùn. So ìgbà tó máa wá bá mi nínú ṣọ́ọ̀bù ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń nà mí mọ́nú ṣọ́ọ̀bù yẹn. Tó bó ibẹ̀ sí ń fún mi lẹ́sẹ̀ mọ́nú ṣọ́ọ̀bù. Bó ṣe nà mí tán, ó wá ń sá, ó gbẹ̀yìn kùlé, ó fẹ́ máa sá lọ. Mo wá dìde, ó wá ṣàdúró sẹ́yìn kùlé kò wá, ó dúró síbẹ̀. Bí mo ṣe wá dìde nìyẹn, mo wá lọ ní kí n máa dáná kí àwọn ọmọ mi tó ti school dé níbi aago 3. Bí mo ṣe wá ní kí n máa dáná báyìí, bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń bọ̀ ní bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ṣépè fún mi fáwọn ọmọ mi nìyẹn. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ṣépè fún ìdí nìyẹn ló wá bí mi, omi tí mo gbé kaná pé mo fi bò ẹ̀fọ́ tí mo ṣe wá dà sí lára mi tó lọ lie down sí. Mo bímọ àkọ́kọ́, ọmọ yẹn wà bí ọmọ 4 years. Tí mo bá ní mo fẹ́ lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn òbí mi, á ní rárá pé ó mú àwọn bá mi jà. So láti ibẹ̀, láti bí ọmọ 4 years yẹn mo rí pé kò ń mọtí kí n mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, ó máa ń dọ̀jẹ̀ mi ò mọ̀. But ìgbà tó wá tó bí tọmọ yẹn tó bí ọmọ 4 years ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, ló wá ń gbé wà yẹn jáde díẹ̀díẹ̀ títí tí mo tún wá bí ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì. Ó ṣàmọtí yẹn kò ń ṣe pọ́tí tó mu tó ń pọ̀ tó yẹn. Gbogbo tó yá ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń pọ̀ títí lórí ọmọ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì. Bí ọmọ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí mọtí yẹn tó ti pọ̀ gan, tó jẹ́ pé ó máa wọnú ṣọ́ọ̀bù ló máa ba nǹkan jẹ́.
Una don see abi? On top this one marriage, na person sef decide say she no go anywhere. Say na there she wan die inside this love garden. Say this man, if you wan even beat her sometimes, na shovel na this man go use carry take dey beat this woman. And if dey beat this woman, she born 1, born 2, born 3, born 4, so tey she born 5. Una dey see love? After they beat am finish for night, sweet him, honey, she go keep leg down, open and wide. The man go still go down there do him thing. Later now she come outside, they talk say na out of frustration. Say she no plan kill the man, no. Now because of say she don't vex. Now that annoyance, now make can carry the water, go pour for the man body. This was what we fit even say decide say this one na self-defense. Say the man they beat, but the hot water too much. At least if we never let her make her not say if we no let am boy. If we just even go gather boys as you know say you won't even pay this man well. Make they beat him. Or you leave the person. Because now she still use her mouth talk say she complain say the man they do this thing. Her own family, you tell and say, carry yourself, come out from the house. She talk say no. And as also some women, some people, that they face this kind of thing for house. They go there, they beat them morning, afternoon, night. Man go talk say you marry, you no go come out from your house again, go visit anybody. She still sit down there say, okay, this love, I died here. Now here I go there. Now they come, they beat you, now you can't know say you won't go do bad thing. I beg you say this total way poke for this man, but he can't die. Real story won't come they talk. Because from the start, you say this man no they take care of you. Now she they do everything, house rent or school fees, so now she they pay everything. So I beg what you can't they gain inside this thing where you be say you can't stand there. If you say they don't use super glue gum your nyash inside the marriage. Because I don't know the reason now. Where be say now you can't they beg say may they pity you. May God may not to give you love. Because if say this man, yeah, that's the reason. If say this man, this hot can't pass this one. I be something can go affect, I be say something can go spoil. What do you want can talk? Because court not go listen to say you dey frustrated. They not go even reason themselves say maybe na the man they at fault. They go just leave you say okay you don't keep person, you don't keep person. As you say for mumu, you mumu finish, then they beat you inside, you see they burn. It means say you dey okay. It means say you love this man, you like him. A whole 21 years of marriage. It means say the marriage don't tire. And people you know say love don't tire you. Make na find a square root. Make the man go one side, make the woman self go. Love no be by force, marriage no be by force. So all this one way they happen, I no even they understand. This woman now, as she did, I know be in a court, they won't be which kind of judgment. But people they talk say, make them release her. Say na self-defense. Say if say the man kill her, what is she for the talk? So me, I don't even know which one I want support. My people where they watch. What do you want to say feel about this matter? Which kind of judgment may they give this one? May they leave him, or may they arrest him? My people, I hear this one. I want to make her bring and come, making herself in her ear. Hear what thing they happen. Make now don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.